Hi, kindergarten friends. Welcome back for another awesome day of learning. Today we are going to play an awesome game called Splat, which you may remember from our last lesson. We're going to talk about part, whole, and making whole numbers. And then we have an awesome dance video to end our day. So let's go ahead and get started. Have you guys missed me? I've missed you guys. I'm so happy to see you, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. We miss you more than you know, like a lot. All right, so the game Splat. It is just like before, except it's 4 dots this time. So it says, how many dots do you see? If you need to make 4, how many are under the splat? Which is such a fun word, right? Such a nonsense word. All right, so 4 is our number. We're trying to make 4. So let's see, how many dots are out and about? How many blue dots do we see? 1, 2. 2 dots. If I have 2 dots, how many more do I need to make 4? I bet you guys are yelling out the answer because I know you guys know it. How many dots are under the splat? Well, let's see. There's a couple ways we can solve this, right? We can start with 2 and then count up till we get to 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers did I put up? Well, we started with these 2. So we put up 2 fingers. So 2 and 2 make 4. Good job. 2 plus 2 does equal 4, right? Well, let's double check our answer because it's always good to be good mathematicians and double check our answer. Let's do it the subtraction way where we count backwards. Let's put up 4 because we know we need 4 at the end. And we have 2, so I'm going to put down 2 fingers. 1, 2. Did you put down 2 fingers? Did you? Good job. You're right. There's 2. So our answers matched, didn't they? Well, let's triple check that answer and move that splat and see if there are 2 dots. I think you guys are probably right. We're going to move our splat. Let's see how many dots we see. 1, 2. And all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! You guys did it. Good job. Kiss your brains and give your brain a little love. Give your heart a little love. Good job. 2 plus 2 make 4. Now I want you to think, when you're out and about today, when you're thinking with your math brain, because remember, we're always mathematicians, how could I play splat another way and still make 4? How many dots can I put under my splat and still make 4? And how many dots can I leave out? Or, I'm going to challenge you, do a bigger number and see if you can figure out how many dots are hiding. Because we know that big numbers are made with smaller numbers. So what 2 smaller numbers can you use to make a bigger number and play this game? This would be a great one to play with brothers and sisters and things at home with lots of different numbers, even numbers in the teens, because you guys are awesome like that and you could totally do it. All right, now let's move on to our next activity. We are going to do an addition story. But there's a missing number we have to figure out. See if we can do it. I don't know. I can see me again. All right, so this is a part whole, which is like a number bond, which you saw in earlier lessons. It's basically an addition problem. It just looks a little different. It's no different. You guys, this is the same thinking you guys have already been doing. It just looks a little different. So it says, Rosie had 1 ribbon. Henry gave her 4 more. I'm going to guess ribbons. How many ribbons does Rosie have now? So Rosie had 1 ribbon, and Henry gave her 4 more. Now we know that in math talk, more means bigger. So he gave her 4 additional. So she got a bigger number. How many ribbons does Rosie have now? Now for a part whole problem, all you have to do is fill in the parts that you know. Well, we know that Rosie has 1 ribbon. So in the first part, I'm going to put the number 1. Henry gave her 4 more ribbons. So I'm going to put the other second part of my problem is the number 4. So now all we have to do is figure out the total or the whole. How many ribbons does Rosie have now? Now, there are lots of ways you can solve this. A lot of you know are screaming at the screen right now. I know what the answer is. You can use counters, you can draw pictures. There are lots of strategies you can use. But there's another one that I have. It's right here on my hands. Gotta pull out my fingers again. All right, Rosie has one. Henry gives her 4 more. Now all we have to do is count our fingers and then we know what the total is. Isn't that amazing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many ribbons does Rosie have now? She has 5. So we can put in 5 right here. And then I am going to put 5 right here as well. I'm going to write 5 maybe. I can do it. Oh, I can't. I'm moving things around. Sorry, guys. We're all learning together, aren't we? All right. So if this were a story problem and we had this problem in class, or you had it on a piece of paper in front of you, we would want to make sure we filled out the problem and we would put the answer right there. So Rosie has 5 ribbons because she had 1 and then Henry gave her 4 more. What a good friend Henry was, huh? So now today I want you to practice with this part whole. You can take anything you have and divide it into 3 sections and see if you can get a total with different numbers. Try big numbers and see if you can figure out what 2 smaller numbers you can use to make that bigger. And to end our day together, I know our time is going so fast. We are going to do a math video, addition, action. So you're going to be practicing your addition facts and moving with Jack Hartman and doing awesome things. Get moving. Enjoy your time. I miss you. We miss you. And we will see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye.